Hey, welcome back to my channel. A little while ago I made my desk setup 2020 video, and since then there's been a few changes which I think I'll release in a future video, so keep posted for that. But today I'm going to be focusing on one of the changes specifically, and that is my sound card. In that desk setup video, I referred to my old trusty Alesis IO2, which since then has become not so trusty when it didn't let me record my guitar. To be fair, it was more than 10 years old. So I went out on a search for my new sound card, and I believe I found the perfect card that every creator needs to have. Podcasters, streamers, musicians, or even just audiophiles who wish to consume high quality media content. The EVO 4 by Audient. Okay, so what sets this card apart from the rest? Well, firstly, its size. It's super nifty, which means it doesn't have to take up your whole desk when you're at home and makes it extremely practical for you to take with you on the go. It's compatible with the iPad Pro, which means you could genuinely toss this thing into your backpack with your iPad and go and make a podcast, record music at a friend's. The sky is truly the limit. Next, the value you get from the price of this little thing is insane. £100. Audient is a manufacturer of high-end sound cards and soundboards, so to be able to get a smaller offering from that kind of pedigree at this price range is truly astounding. Lastly, it has two features that I think alone set it apart from the rest of the market. First, Smart Gain. Smart Gain lets the sound card decide on an appropriate level of gain so that you can get the maximum amount of richness out of the preamps built into the card, but at the same time make sure that you're not recording audio too hot. In other words, to make sure that it's not going to peak or distort. I'll do a quick demo for you now. All you need to do is press the Smart Gain button, then select the channel you would like it to perform the assessment on, and finally confirm by pressing the Smart Gain button again. Then you'll need to talk, sing, or play your instrument at the level you would like to record at, and the sound card will do the assessment in real time. It only takes a few seconds to confirm that it's done. Secondly, loopback channels. If you're a gamer or podcaster who uses jingles or even records interviews remotely, you'll know how much of a killer feature this is. Essentially, the sound card creates two virtual channels that you can use to record the output of your PC or Mac in whichever digital audio workstation you are using. I've tested this out in GarageBand and it works really well. I'm sure you'll agree that this is a must-have for all creators. If 2-channel inputs are not enough for you, Audient do make the EVO 8 as well, which has 4-channel inputs and 4-channel outputs as well. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this one. Do hit subscribe if you'd like to catch more from me in the future, as well as the bell if you'd like to get notified when I post a new video. See you soon.